Namaste, I'm Dr. DJ Kulkarni and today we are going to make a wonderful dish. This is a breakfast dish and we are going to prepare a fantastic breakfast with 70% of millet. Cooking time 10-12 minutes bas, and I call it as Gud Millan. So good because it's good, that is Jaggery, or Millan, millet ka or good ka Millan. A very good breakfast for youngsters, for elders, for working people. Banane mein bas Jhat Pat. Let's see what are the ingredients. We have got the Proso millet 100 grams, a little bit of Bombay rawa या बारीक रवा जिसे हम लोगों का जो शीरा है वो बनाते हैं, hardly 10 grams. We have got organic jaggery here. We have got cow ghee and a little dry fruits here. Now we are going to see how we are going to make it. Proso millet को थोड़ा सा रफ इसको क्रश कर देना. डोंट ग्राइंड इट, इट बिकम्स इनटू पाउडर. तो ये जैसे हमारा बड़ा दलिया होता है या मोटा सा जो रवा होता है, उस प्रकार आप इसको थोड़ा सा ग्राइंड कर लिए. एंड देन once it is ground, you add a little bit of 10 grams of rava. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is the coarse Proso millet जिसमें हमने थोड़ा सा ग्राइंड किया है. Add it to the kadhi and add around 10 grams of the rava here. So this gives some consistency, and stir it for some time, roast it for some time till we get a little nice fragrance. Nice fragrance. In this 1.5 times, 1.5 गुना इसमें slowly पानी डालिए. And let it cook to consistency. Now the mixture is boiling. Let it cook well because the millets take time to cook. Since it is millet, we can just close the lid so that it cooks a little faster. Now it has come to this consistency. You see? Now in this you put around 50 grams of or 100 grams of jaggery, organic jaggery. This should be put as per your taste, depending upon how sweet you want. Let it melt. Put all the dry fruits, that is almonds, cashew and kishmish. Stir it for some time and let this whole thing cook in the jaggery mixture. We can also cover it. Cook it to this consistency. You can just taste the millet whether it's cooked or no. So once the millet becomes soft, cook it and remove it in the serving dish. I'm Dr. DJ Kulkarni, she is Dr. Shubha Barwani, and both together we have made this dish and we call it Gud Millan. That is good, gur, jaggery, Millan, millet. So millet hai, isme jaggery hai, Proso millet hai, and dry fruits hai. Very little oil, absolutely no oil. We have used ghee, and this is Gud Millan. Let's try it, madam, please. This consistency. Good. Very good. I'm sure the judges are going to love to eat this.
Too good. Everyone must try this.
Thank you very much, Yaseti and Amrut. This is Gud Millan, a fantastic, pौष्टिक breakfast can be prepared hardly in 10 to 15 minutes in the morning. Good for children, good for the working people, good for people at home, elderly people. Zabardast hai. Thank you.